Welcome to 4th Standard Computer Science online class. Today we are discuss page number 39. Page number 39ல periodic test 2ன்னு சொல்லி question paper வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. One words and question answer. இது வந்து third and fourth lesson பேஸ் பண்ணி இருக்குது. பட் இது வந்து புக் பேக் கொஸ்டினோ ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸோ கிடையாது. ஸோ டுடே நான் வந்து இந்த புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் அண்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் உங்களுக்கு மார்க் பண்ணி தரேன். ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? So all of you take your book page number 39. The first section multiple choice question. The first one, the forward and back command moves the turtle at. Answer, opposite direction. Second one, the left command in MSW logo moves the turtle by given angle in. Answer, anti-clockwise direction. Third one, MSW logo commands are also known as MSW logo primitives. Option C. The fourth one, what name is given to the pause in time between the key pressed first time and the next time, as key used in keyboard properties from control panel? Answer, option A, repeat delay. Fifth one, the file explorer options dialog box comes with how many tabs? Answer, option B, 3. The next section, true or false. First one, center of the MSW logo screen is called as home of turtle. Answer, true. Second one, back primitive can be replaced by a forward primitive with navigated steps. Answer, true. Third one, the reset button will clear all the drawings by turtle only. Answer, false. Fourth one, half button is MSW logo stops the execution of commands permanently. Answer, true. The next, fill in the blanks. First one, typing in dash into Cortana search box will show up control panel as a search result. Answer, control panel. Second one, back primitive move the turtle in the opposite direction to the dash primitive. Answer, forward. Third one, the dash bar is at the top of the main screen in MSW logo. Answer, title. Fourth one, you can set the home page of the Edge browser through the dash panel. Answer, control. Okay. Next question answers இருக்கு. இந்த question answers are I give the PDF file format. நான் PDF ஃபைலில் question answer அனுப்பிடுவேன். நீங்கள் அதை பார்த்து படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? Then all of you take your book page number 40. The first one, which device is used to input and record voice into the computer? Answer, microphone. Second one, LCD and plasma are two types of. Answer, option C, monitor. Third one, which is the horizontal bar aligned to the lower part of the screen in Windows 10? Answer, C, taskbar. Fourth one, turtle carries a dash using which is draws figure on screen? Answer, C, pen. Fifth one, command input box and recall list box are part of. Answer, option B, commander window. Sixth one, the current setting of MSW logo are shown by clicking the. Answer, option A, status button. Seventh one, the construction of a regular hexagon can be reduced in program size if. Answer, option A, repeat is used. Okay. Then eighth one, what will happen on double clicking the control panel icon on desktop? Answer option A, control panel will be launched. Ninth one, the keyboard properties of control panel contains. Answer option A, two tabs, namely speed and hardware. Tenth one, how can file explorer option can option be changed in Windows 10? Answer option A, by using control panel. Okay, complete the page number 40 ma. Okay, next all of you take your book page number 41. The B section, true or false. First one, a touchpad is commonly used in laptops. Answer true. Second one, a touchscreen looked like an upside down mouse. Answer false. Third one, the keys on the keyboard can be clicked or double clicked. Answer false. Fourth one, joystick, mouse and light pen are all pointing devices. Answer true. Fifth one, VDU is another name for monitor. Answer true. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, command input box is present at the dash portion of the commander window. Answer bottom. Second one, pressing the Windows key plus X opens up the dash user mode in Windows 10. Answer power. Third one, pressing the dash button MSW logo stop the execution of commands permanently. Answer half. Fourth one, the commands PK40 has the same effect as forward dash. Answer -40. Fifth one, MSW logo stand for dash logo. Answer Microsoft Windows. Okay, the next match the following. First one, this stage this storage device is present inside the system component. Answer D, hard disk. Second one, this output device provide the output known as the hard copy. Answer E, printer. Third one, if the file or folder is selected, pressing F2 will. Answer B, make the file or folder name editable. Okay. The fourth one, the MSW logo when turtle move each draw using. Answer option A, pen. Fifth one, the center of the MSW logo screen is also known as. Answer C, home of turtle. Okay, the one words are over. The section E is question answer. The question answer we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.